vlog. It's now day 2. This will be following on to a massive vlog. But today is going to be a really fun day. We're going to have one practice, will be 5 laps. Then we're going to go straight to racing. So I hope I have good luck in the races today. There'll be 3 and I'm really excited. So I have to win all of them if I want to win. So yeah, keep on the journey and see me in a sec. Okay guys, so we're just about to go out for our first session, so I'll see you guys out there.
Perfect is perception, perception is all that they can see. A vacancy replacing these space and place where my heart should be. Harping on these emotions, self-loathing, broken, what's wrong with me? A song to me is more than just some bullshit in words. It's the only time so nobody like me will be.
Okay guys, so just got back from practice. I think it was a lot better than compared to yesterday, but the track is really wet and you can tell by the bikes, the boots. But the race will be next. I'm really excited to get the first race done. So yeah, see you guys out there.
Dream, that's what they told me. If I listened to your dumb ass, I'd regret it as the old me. Perfect is perception, perception is all that they can see. Amazes me, I found a group of people who found faith in me. Team wit until my death, I'll fucking take that to the grave with me. They can't see through bullshit, so they're left with only fake and weak. 10 writers to write timber, spill my soul and no one's playing me. It's plain to see, they hating me. They take what they can take from me. They'll never find no fake in me. They said my dream was make-believe. Well, thankfully, I use your hate to me to motivate. You see, I can be your everything, or every day your enemy, or every day your memory. You might just be a friend to me. You spend your time defending me, but me is all I tend to be.
I'm too focused on the music, the money, and where I'm headed. If it rain on my parade, I'ma get an umbrella. Fuck all they damn opinions. Never really been the one to listen. Ain't no one else in the world on my vision. Said I want the distance.
So hopefully I can get a
blood of a champion in my veins. I ain't following nobody, I'm in my own lane. Live a day in my life, come and feel my pain.
Okay guys, so I'm just getting ready for race 2. I'm really excited but nervous as well. So hopefully I can get another first. So yeah.
Never give up, boy, you gotta keep moving. Don't worry about me or what I'm doing. If anyone listening got a dream, better go for it. If you think about giving up, better hold on. I've been on my grind, hustling for so long. Pull up good vibes, someone roll one.
When you're alone, life can be a little rough. It makes you feel like you're 3 foot tall. When it's just you, well, times can be tough. When there's no one there to catch or fall. 3 foot tall. Like you're 3 foot tall. 3
Looking at rappers, it's lunchtime. Sick of the drugs and the groupies. Hustling hard, boy, it's crunch time. Praying to God he don't lose me. Shout to my family one time. Putting my thoughts on the roof sleeve, on the Bruce Lee and this rap shit. Sometimes this life will get lonely and close. I gon' make sure that you bring a jacket. Putting my heart and my soul in this music. I can't wait too far to turn back, bitch. People all told me that I wouldn't make it. Now they don't saying congrats, kid. Used to keep money that I made from hustling right there up under my mattress. Now I ain't tripping, don't worry about slipping. I got an account for that shit. Stood on my own to be nothing but to me. Every day I will practice. Struggling every day, trying to find myself in this world that's full of madness. Stressed out, working hard, going through some shit, put my trust in God. Everybody telling me that I should stop, but my middle finger's up, screaming fuck them all. Every single day in my life, I'm putting up a fight.
This is the last race now. Friday, Saturday's the last one, but last race it wasn't that good. So this race I'm just here to pick up the point. So yeah.
When there's nowhere to catch a fall, 3 foot tall, 3 foot tall, 3 foot tall, catch a fall. Little rock, it makes you feel like you're 3 foot tall. When it's just you, times can be tough.
I did pull through and did get a second. I think if I did have an extra lap, I could have got first. But as I did say, I can't get first really anymore. But that race, I was just there to get the point. And yeah. I think you guys know, please load up and get ready for the second station.
Finishing in third place, you and Goddard. And our runner-up in second place, Lewis Dutton. And taking the win for the youth class at the 2017 Minibike Nationals, sponsored by Tony Tools, is Zena A.
Okay guys, skipping quite a lot of time just then. We are back home, back to normal. So we just unloaded all the bikes and it's getting quite late. The clocks have gone forward So we have got a lot more time now in the night, so we'll be able to ride. And I just thought we might as well just get all the bikes washed, ready for next time. So guys, you've been waiting for this mini bike action for ages, and here it was. It was such a fantastic time. It's just so much fun to record this was, and so much fun to do. But in another month's time, we are actually racing again at Fat Cat's Motor Park. I can't wait for that. So guys, stick around for that, and let's just wash the bikes. So yeah. Thanks for watching this far into the vlog, guys. If you're still here, thanks a lot for watching. Today's been a really long vlog, and remember to stay tuned for part 2, and it'll be even more fun. So yeah.